Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I'll be discussing normal vaginal delivery. Now what are the pros or advantages of having a normal vaginal delivery? The recovery time is quick, within 1 to 2 days. Risk of complications and infection is less. Breastfeeding is easier to initiate. Skin to skin contact with the baby is easier and early in vaginal delivery. And of course it is cheaper. Now then what are the challenges if you go in for a vaginal delivery? Of course the biggest challenge is tolerating labor pains. And these pains, mind you, are not going to be for a few minutes or maybe an hour, but they can be there for hours. And especially if you're having the first child, then the labor can be quite long. Second is that an episiotomy or a tear is given to help the delivery of the baby smoother and faster. Now, does normal vaginal delivery have any benefits for the baby? You'll be surprised to know that babies which are born through a normal vaginal route have certain advantages versus those babies who are born through cesarean section. The biggest advantage is lesser incidence of respiratory problems. Now, when the baby passes through the birth canal of the mother, the fluid in its lungs is squeezed out. So when these babies are born, they tend to have lesser respiratory problems. Second important thing is that as they pass through the birth canal, they get the good bacteria or the microbiome from the mother. So when these babies are born, they have a very good microbiome in their gut, and so their immunity is higher versus those babies who are born by cesarean section. What really matters is not a normal delivery or a cesarean delivery, but a safe delivery. So be aware and be safe.